But then when you told me 4, it was just too much for me. And I couldn't, when I went back out there and I looked at everyone, I was like, oh my God, like, why did I even pick white money? Like, it hurt me so much, and I'm not going to lie. But I mean, I've done what I've done, so it is what it is. But I have no reason as to why I picked white money, because I actually really like him as a friend. So yeah.
Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I messed up for nominating white money for eviction. Maria regrets. Big Brother Naija housemate Maria Chike Benjamin has expressed regret over a nomination of fellow housemate Azel Onyezeonu, also known as white money, for possible eviction. The Imo State-born beauty lamented that she was not thinking straight when she nominated white money for eviction.
White money, I don't know what I was thinking, if I'm being completely honest with you. I actually had so much love for that boy, as a friend type of love. I was so confused, like, names couldn't come to my head yesterday. Like, I wasn't ready, like, because obviously...
Addressing other housemates on Tuesday, Maria admitted that she messed up. The former air hostess, however, expressed optimism that white money will scale through the eviction process this week. Maria, a Dubai-based realtor, said the lovable character of white money will save him from eviction. According to Maria, I'm very certain white money has a huge fan base. He's a lovable character, so he will be saved from eviction. I messed up. I wasn't thinking straight when I picked him. White money, Earrings, Beatrice, Nee, and Yusuf are up for possible eviction this week. At least one of the housemates will be evicted this weekend. Guys, what do you think about this? Do you think Maria is really sorry about nominating white money? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if it's your first time of viewing my channel, thanks for viewing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment.